Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing the CTET Paper 2 which held on 3rd January 2022, and then in this video I'll be discussing all the sections of this paper. First I will discuss the child development and pedagogy section, and if this video will be helpful to you then don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. So without wasting our time, let's move on to the first section, that is child development and pedagogy, जिसका हमारा first question है, the social expectations at each stage of development is referred to as. So correct answer is developmental tasks. First is the correct option. Next question is development. So it proceeds from center of the body in an outward direction will be the correct option here. That is option 1. Next question is cognitive development progresses quite rapidly till middle childhood and then comes to a stop. And इसका reason है human beings cannot learn new things after the stage of middle childhood. So choose the correct option. So here fourth, both A and R are false. Next question is question number 4. A group of children enact scenes from a popular dance reality show in their play. As a judge, 8 years old Sana gives comments on other children dances. The situation highlights the important role of dash in the socialization of a children. So, यहाँ पर media will be the correct answer. That is option 3rd. Next question is, according to Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, in which stage children gain the ability to seriate objects in a specified order? So correct option is 3rd, that is concrete operational stage. Next question है हमारा question number 6. According to Jean Piaget, an ongoing process which refines and transforms mental structures is called. So correct option is equilibration. Fourth one will be the correct option. Next is question number 7. After seeing students struggling to solve a problem, a teacher gave them hints and half-solved examples to assist them. As per Levi-Vygotsky theory, this is an example of correct option will be scaffolding, जिसमें एक help दी जाती है to solve the problem. So 1 will be the correct option, that is scaffolding. Right? Next question is question number 8. Which theorist asserted that cognitive development is a collaborative process? So correct option will be 1, that is Levi-Vygotsky. Next question is, one of the chief criticisms of Lawrence Kohlberg's theory is that. So correct option will be his theory undermines the feminine perspective. 1 will be the correct option here. Next question is, Howard Gardner suggested that there are distinct kind of intelligence. Which of the following intelligence was not proposed by Gardner? So practical intelligence was not proposed by Gardner. So here 4th will be the correct option. Next question, question number 11th. Which of the following illustrates a constructivist learning approach in a progressive classroom? Correct option will be multiple interpretations. 1 will be the correct option. Next question number 12th. In context of multilingualism, which of the following is an appropriate approach? So correct option will be 3rd. The teacher should respect and create a classroom environment which supports inclusion of all students. Next question, question number 13th. Children who often see their parents cross normative gender lines, such as mothers repairing the appliances and fathers taking care of the baby, are. So correct option is less likely to adhere to gender stereotypes. 1 will be the correct option here. Next question number 14. The purpose of assessment according to National Education Policy 2020 are. So correct option will be B, C and D. That is, B है आपका to revise teaching learning processes, C is to optimize learning and development, and D is to support students inside and outside the classroom. Next question number 15th is, dynamic assessment helps to understand. So correct option is the specific learning needs of a child. 3rd one will be the correct option here. Question number 16th is, for successful inclusion of students with giftedness, which of the following strategy a teacher should avoid to use? So correct option will be 3rd, that is implement teacher-centered curriculum. Next question is question number 17th. In order to create a system which respects individual differences among learners, it is important to. So correct option is allow variation in learning pace and perspectives. Second will be the correct option. Next question is, a student is unable to pay attention in the class, becomes distracted easily, can't sit in the assigned seat, fidgets and loses things. These characteristics are indicative of, so correct option will be 1, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. 1 will be the correct option here. Next question is, for inclusion of students with hearing impairment, a teacher should, so he should avoid speaking anytime when student can't see her face. 1 will be the correct option. Next question, 20th question, choosing activities that provide scope for insightful and divergent answers promote creativity. 2nd will be the correct option. Next question is, students who score less marks during exams should, so he should be provided with necessary support as per their individual needs, will be the correct option, option 4th. Next question is assertion. To ensure meaningful learning, it is essential to connect new materials with something the child already knows. Reason. Learning occurs in a linear manner. So here A is true, but B is, that is R is false. Third one will be the correct option here. Next question is 23rd question. Which of the following notions of success in school needs to be challenged? So correct option is 1, that is students achieve success in school by proving themselves to be better than others. Next question is, while teaching a concept, which of the following a teacher should avoid? So correct option will be exclude non-exemplars and exceptions. Fourth one will be the correct option. Next question is, which of the following forms of learning a teacher should emphasize upon? So teacher should emphasize upon the learning through processes of structured inquiry. Second will be the correct option. Next question is, which of the following is not an example of extrinsic motivation? So interest. Second will be the correct option. Next question, which of the following emotion hinders students' learning? So hopelessness. Fourth will be the correct option. Next question is, during the classroom discussion on concept of water, a child responded, water is not colorless. On inquiring by the teacher, child gave reference of dirty water which he had seen in a drain near his home. A teacher respond to this misconception of the child by accept the response and explain the logic of calling the water colorless. Third will be the correct option here. Next question is 29th question. Socio-constructivist approach to learning emphasizes on importance of, so correct option is cultural context. Third will be the correct option. 30th question is, learning is most effective and meaningful when it occurs in contextualized manner. First will be the correct option here. Next section is of science. So first question of science is, moon always has the same face towards the earth. Reason, the moon completes one rotation on its axis simultaneously as it completes one revolution around the earth. So here both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. First one will be the correct option here. 62 question है हमारा, which of the following is true regarding the water content in the process of conversion of nectars to honey by honeybees? So it is reduced. Second will be the correct option. Next question is, in fish, the body surface is protected from decay by microorganisms due to which of the following? So mucus layer. Second will be the correct option here. Next question is 64th question है हमारा, assertion, lions do not eat grass. Reason, many animals cannot digest cellulose. So here both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. One will be the correct option here. Next question है 65th question है हमारा. तो 65 क्वेश्चन है आपका, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सोर्सेज ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट कंटेन्स ग्लूटेन, अ कंपोनेंट विच कैन कॉज एलर्जी टू सम पीपल. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज wheat. Second will be the correct option. Next question, X is a non-flowering and seedless plant that grows on land. Correct option is fourth, that is fern. Next question is 67th, which of the following is a set of chemical changes? Correct option is B and C, that is setting milk into curd and making cottage cheese paneer from milk. So B and C will be the correct option. Next question is, which of the following is the strongest natural fiber? So correct option is second, that is silk. Next question, 69th question, which of the following is a synthetic indicator? Correct option is methyl orange solution. Third will be the correct option. Next question is, Aditi wanted to send a secret message to her friend. She gave her friend a letter which did not seem to have anything written on it. She asked her friend to rub the paper with a slice of beetroot and the message appeared in a dark red color. So correct option will be which of the following could she have used to write the message? So baking soda solution. Third will be the correct option. Next is identical twins are produced by. So correct option is fertilization of one egg by one sperm. Next question is, why does a metal door knob feel cooler than a similar plastic knob on a cold day? Correct option is metal is a better conductor of heat than plastic. Second will be the correct option. Next question is, ultrasound is inaudible to humans. Reason, the human ear has a range of hearing between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. So here both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question is, why is the lightning conductor installed on a building? So correct option is third, that is it conducts electric charges on the ground when lightning strikes the building. Next question is, serve burn injuries are likely to be caused by fire accident while wearing synthetic fabric rather than natural fabric, as synthetic fiber. Correct option is burns into sticky liquid. Fourth one will be the correct option. Next question, which of the following is a set of mixtures? So wood, air and sand. Fourth will be the correct option. Next question, 77th question है हमारा, a cyclist travels 360 meters in 2 minutes. What is the speed? Correct option is 3 meters per second. Third one will be the correct option. Next question is, the focal length of a concave mirror is 20 centimeter. At what distance from the concave mirror could the object placed to produce a virtual image of the object? Correct option is 10 centimeter. Next question, when a bar magnet is brought near it, the iron dust sticks mostly near two ends. Fourth one will be the correct option. Next question is, A, B, C and D represent four media as follows. A is equal to air, B is equal to water, C is equal to iron and D is equal to vacuum. In which of the above media the spread sound is least and maximum respectively? So correct option will be third, A and C, that is air and iron. Next question is, a teacher puts a leaf in a test tube and puts spirit alcohol in it. Now he heats the test tube till all the green color comes out. Then he takes out the leaf and pours some iodine solution on it. The students write the following statements in their notebooks. So correct option is A is observation and B is inference. Next question, which of the following is an appropriate objective for organizing a science fair in school? Correct option is increasing the students' interest in science. Second will be the correct option. Next question is, adapting the science curriculum as per the understanding level of students ensure its. Correct option will be cognitive validating. Third one will be the correct option. 84th question is, a class 7th teacher plans a task for students of classifying 25 plants. Which of the following strategies best support inquiry teaching? Correct option is third, teacher allows each student to classify in their own way and discuss them. Next question is, so next 85th question is, assertion, school science textbook need to include episodes from history. Reason, historical development of ideas in science is important for a holistic understanding of science. So correct option is second. Both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. Next question is 86th question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding assessment in science? So यहाँ पर जो correct option है, that is only C, that is students' justification of their response should be a part of the assessment. Next question is, which of the following statements describes the nature of science? So correct option is A, B and C. That is A, scientific knowledge is tentative. B, scientific explanations are falsifiable. And third is C is it is a process of describing the world around us. Next question is, which of the following is a micro-level intervention aimed at improving the teaching learning of science in middle schools initiated during the late 1970s? So यहाँ पर जो correct option है आपका, that is Hoshangabad Science Teaching Program, HSTP. First one is the correct option here. Next question is 89th. Teaching science through discovery is focuses on the process of learning. Second is the correct option here. And the last question of science section is, a science teacher of class 7th asked the students to measure the body temperature of 10 peers and record their observations. Which of the following process skills can be assessed using this activity? Correct option is experimenting. Okay, first one will be the correct option here. With this, our science section is over, and first I will discuss the English and the Hindi section, and then I will discuss the that is math section, right? So हमारे इंग्लिश का आपको पता है, वन पैसेज विल बी गिवन टू यू एंड क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड रिलेटेड टू दैट वन पैराग्राफ, और वी कैन से दैट वन पैसेज. सो यहाँ पर एक पैसेज गिवन है आपका, एंड जिससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. ओके, सो आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज़ नीड टू रीड दिस पैराग्राफ है, बिकॉज वहाँ पर कोई भी पैराग्राफ दे दिया जाता है, एंड आपको पैराग्राफ की प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए ताकि आप जल्दी से जल्दी है उसमें से आंसर्स फाइंड आउट कर पाओ. देखो सारे आंसर्स जो हैं वो पैराग्राफ में ही होते हैं, बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट द टाइमिंग्स कि आप कितने जल्दी जो है आप आंसर को फाइंड आउट करके वहाँ पर करेक्ट करते हो. ओके, क्योंकि सभी को सभी जो है वो आंसर फाइंड आउट करने में एबल रहेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ पर सारी टाइमिंग्स की बात होती है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर टाइम जो है वो आपका काउंट हो रहा होता है. सो 91 से 95 तक आपके सारे यहाँ पर इस पैसेज से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हैं. उसके बाद हमारे 96 क्वेश्चन इज इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स आर सब्सिडियरी. सो सब्सिडियरी इज एन एडजेक्टिव. ओके, next is 97th question, dash should inspire a political creed. The underlined word means the same as encourage. Second will be the correct option. Next question is, dash it unrolls as before, monotonous. The word opposite in meaning to the underlined word is, तो monotonous का जो opposite है meaning में, that is changing. First one will be the correct option. Next question is, though it does not dominate the landscape, the above expression is a or an dash clause. So adverb. थर्ड विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर. आपको एडवर्ब पढ़ के जाने हैं, नाउन पढ़ के जाने हैं, एडजेक्टिव पढ़ के जाने हैं, कोऑर्डिनेट पढ़ के जाने हैं, राइट. सो यहाँ पर इसके बाद आपकी एक पोएम आ जाती है. रीड द पोएम गिवन बिलो एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द गिवन ऑप्शंस. तो यहाँ पर जो 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके ये पोएम से रिलेटेड होंगे. सो इसकी तो आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है कि यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड द आंसर्स एज क्विक एज पॉसिबल, राइट. सो यहाँ पर उसके बाद हम क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं 106 से 120 तक. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस बाय सिलेक्टिंग द मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस. तो लर्नर्स एक्वायर अ लैंग्वेज बाय, so fourth one is the correct one, using the language in a natural interactive environment. 106 question आपका हो गया. 107th question is, which of the following language skills are related to expression? So speaking and writing, third one will be the correct one. Next question, identify the disability of a child might be suffering from if she or he is unable to A. comprehend text gesture, B. to make contractions, read at expected rate of speed, and D option is analyze the surface and deep meaning. तो comprehend text gestures, to make contractions, read at expected rate of speed, and analyze the surface and deep meaning. Choose the correct option. तो यहाँ पर dyslexia आएगा आपका, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आया है इफ़ शी और ही इज़ अनेबल टू. ओके, सो यहाँ पर फोर्थ विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर. नेक्स्ट इज डिसेबिलिटी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आपके आते ही हैं. ये भी आपको सारे डिसेबिलिटीज़ पढ़ के जानी है, बिकॉज हर बार कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन आपके डिसेबिलिटीज़ में से होता ही है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज असर्शन. Functional model of language is linked with the concept of communicative competence. Reason, language is a vehicle for the expression of functional meaning and for performing real world activities. So यहाँ पर choose the correct option. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question is 110. Which of the following is a subject oriented writing style which seeks to explain and illuminate an issue, subject and idea. So यहाँ पर जो correct option है that is expository writing. First one will be the correct option. Next question is, which one of these is cited as an example of the humanistic approach with the language teaching tradition? So correct option is community language learning. Fourth one will be the correct option. Next question is, a dash is a purposeful collection of a student's work that exhibits the student's efforts, progress and achievement in one and more areas. So portfolio, second will be the correct option. 113th question is, while designing the activities for the language classroom, a teacher should consider two. So A, design activities which involve meaningful interaction, and B, design activities which resemble real world tasks. So both A and B are true. Third one will be the correct option. Next question is, National Education Policy 2020 recommends the study of mother tongue or home language, modern Indian languages, Sanskrit, classical language and foreign languages. Second one will be the correct option. Next question, a teacher conducts an activity in the class. Students are asked to form a circle. She started the story with dash. With, once there was a brave girl in a small team of Rajasthan. Her name was Ria. Then each student in the circle is asked to add a sentence to complete the story in a meaningful way. The process takes few more minutes till story reaches end. This activity is an example of cognitive, academic, language proficiency. Second will be the correct option. Next question is, total physical response TPR as a method could be effective for kinesthetic learners. First one will be the correct option. Next question is, which one of the following languages not included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? Rajasthani. Fourth will be the correct option. Next question is, if a person is identifying phonemes, syllables, words, phrases and sentences and then making use of information and context to decode the spoken written discourse is an example of bottom up processing. B will be the correct option here. Next question is, a child moves from India to USA and is taught all her subjects in the language of country she has migrated to. What is this processes of teaching is known as? So it is known as immersion. First one will be the correct option. And the last question of English section is, content subjects like science, maths, social science have specific use of language to convey ideas, concepts and meanings. A language teacher in collaboration with subject teacher attempts to use this aspect of language to teaching language. What is this known as? So it is known as the register based language teaching. First one will be the correct option here. Now moving on to the next section, that is of Hindi. तो यहाँ पर भी एक गद्यांश दिया गया है जिसमें से आपके 8 क्वेश्चन हैं यहाँ पर, आप देख सकते हैं इसको. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चंस मैं आपके लिए रीड नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज आपको इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. एंड मैं पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ कि ये सारे जो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स होते हैं वो गद्यांश में ही पाए जाते हैं, लेकिन इसमें जो है आपको जल्दी से जल्दी जो है आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है बिकॉज इट टेक्स टाइम और हमारे अदर क्वेश्चंस जो है वो रह जाते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका है, निम्नलिखित गद्यांश को ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़िए तथा पूछे गए प्रश्नों का उत्तर दीजिए. इसके बाद भी आपका जो है एक गद्यांश है जिसमें आपके 129 से लेकर 135 तक जो है वो आपके गद्यांश से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपके प्रत्यय, उपसर्ग ये भी आपको पता होनी चाहिए. विलोम शब्द के भी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं यहाँ पर. ओके, भाषा शिक्षण का क्या उद्देश्य होना चाहिए? तो विद्यार्थियों को सभी स्थितियों में अर्थपूर्ण ढंग से प्रतिक्रिया करने में सक्षम बनाना. कक्षा की स्थिति का अवलोकन करें और प्रयुक्त भाषा शिक्षण के तरीके की पहचान करें. अध्यापक कलम पकड़े हुए, देखो यह एक कलम है. दीवार पर लगी घड़ी की ओर इशारा करते हुए, वह एक घड़ी है. सभी अपनी कलम पकड़ो. सभी विद्यार्थी अपनी अपनी कलम उठाते हैं. अध्यापक सुनिए, यह एक कलम है. यह विद्यार्थी, यह एक कलम है. यह. सो ये जो आपकी है वो दैट इज सिचुएशनल लैंग्वेज टीचिंग, स्थिति परिभाषा शिक्षण. फर्स्ट वन विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सूची अ और ब के आधार पर सही कोड का चयन करें. तो यहाँ पर मैंने टिकट खरीदा, मैंने टिकट खरीदा. तो यहाँ पर आपका आएगा फर्स्ट का सेकंड। नेक्स्ट इज उसे कहो कि मेरी प्रतीक्षा करें, मेरे लिए रुको। इसका आएगा आपका फर्स्ट। रीस्टेटमेंट और पुनर्कथन। वह मेरा पता जानता है, वह मेरा पता जानता है। सो यहाँ पर आपका आएगा सी का फोर्थ, दैट इज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, परिवर्तन। मैं उसे जानता हूँ, मैं शायद ही उसे जानता हूँ, यह आपका आएगा थर्ड, इन्फ्लेक्शन और विभक्ति। तो ए का सेकंड, बी का फर्स्ट, सी का फोर्थ एंड डी का थर्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, शालिनी एक विद्यार्थी को किसी अजनबी को निर्देश देने की कल्पना करने का निर्देश दे रही है। ए, क्षमा करें, डाकघर कहाँ है? बी, यह बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के पास है। ए, अच्छा, कृपया आप बताएं कि बैंक कैसे पहुंच सकते हैं। बी, यह सिनेमा के बराबर में है, आप सीधे जाएं और सबसे पहले आने वाले बाएं रास्ते पर मुड़ जाएं। यहाँ भाषा का संबंध किससे है? तो यहाँ भाषा का संबंध है विशिष्ट कार्यात्मक संदर्भ से। थर्ड विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, प्राथमिक स्तर की पाठ्य पुस्तक में शब्दों को इस प्रकार से व्यवस्थित किया गया है: काला, माला, जाला और टाला, कुट, पुट, फुट और चुट। निम्नलिखित में से कौन से समूह का प्रयोग भाषा के शब्दों को व्यवस्थित करने के लिए किया गया है? सो यहाँ पर जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ध्वन्यात्मक समूहीकरण। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक पाठक अपने पूर्व ज्ञान का उपयोग करके अर्थगत व वाक्यात्मक संकेत बनाती है और फिर अन्य विशिष्ट जानकारी पर जाती है। यहाँ पाठक पढ़ने का कौन सा मॉडल अपनाती है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज टॉप डाउन मॉडल। सेकंड वन विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, भारतीय संविधान के अनुसार अंग्रेजी भाषा की क्या स्थिति है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सहयोगी प्रशासनिक भाषा। थर्ड वन विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। निम्नलिखित में से कौन से विषय वस्तु के अंतर्गत आने वाले शब्द हैं? सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज संज्ञा शब्द। नेक्स्ट इज 144th क्वेश्चन, कार्य आधारित भाषा सीखने में कार्य से क्या तात्पर्य है? सो फर्स्ट वन विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, कार्य का वह भाग जो शिक्षार्थियों को भाषा के अवसर देता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, भाषा अधिगम में रचनावाद किस पर केंद्रित है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज फर्स्ट, शिक्षार्थियों को नवीन ज्ञान खोजने में व्यस्त रखने पर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 146, दो विद्यार्थी एक ही पाठ्य सामग्री को पढ़ते हैं फिर भी इसमें बिल्कुल भिन्न अर्थ निकालते हैं, उनके बारे में निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा सही है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन है आपका यह संभव है क्योंकि व्यक्ति के अधिगम को विविध कारण विभिन्न विधियों से प्रभावित करते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ऋतु कक्षा 8वीं की अंग्रेजी भाषा की शिक्षक है। कथा शिक्षण के दौरान कुछ विद्यार्थी जो कि प्रायः पीछे रहते हैं कक्षा चर्चा में ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, इस स्थिति में ऋतु को क्या करना चाहिए? तो यहाँ पर उन विद्यार्थियों से प्रश्न पूछे, वह चर्चा का भाग बनाएं और अपनी शिक्षण युक्ति में बदलाव करें। फोर्थ वन विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, प्राथमिक स्तर पर भाषा शिक्षण के लिए कहानी सुनाने का तरीका सबसे अधिक महत्वपूर्ण है, क्यों? क्योंकि यह एकीकृत भाषा कौशल विकसित करने के लिए उपयोगी है। फर्स्ट वन विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट इज, राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति 2020 के अनुसार निम्नलिखित में से भारत सरकार को कौन सी पहल इस बात पर बल देती है कि विद्यार्थी अधिकांश रूप से प्रमुख भारतीय भाषाओं की उल्लेखनीय एकता के बारे में जानेंगे? फर्स्ट वन विल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा अधिगम के रचनात्मक वर्षों में भाषा विकास और अकादमिक दक्षताओं के लिए सबसे उपयुक्त है? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज, बच्चों को बार बार वार्तालाप में शामिल करना। फर्स्ट वन विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर। इसके बाद आपका मैथ्स का सेक्शन आ रहा है। सो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है आपका, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ग्रेटेस्ट एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर्स दैट कैन बी फॉर्म्ड यूजिंग द डिजिट्स 0, 2, 5 and 6 without repetition? Correct option will be third, that is 447. Next question is, next question, which of the following may represent 3/11? wait ओके इससे पहले 32nd क्वेश्चन हमारा रह गया। इफ 2/7 रेज़ टू पावर -3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4/49 रेज़ टू पावर 6 इज इक्वल टू 2/7 raised to power 2m minus 1, then what is the value of m? Correct option is 5. Next question, which of the following may represent 3/11? So correct option is third, dividing a circle into 33 equal parts and coloring 9 among them. Next question is, which of the following is not a perfect square? Correct option is fourth, that is 3158. Next question. A shopkeeper has 75 gold and 120 silver coins. She wants to stack them so that each stack contains same number of coins of the same type. The maximum number of coins that each stack can have, 15, will be the correct option, third one. Next is the solution of the equation 3 into 2 minus x minus x plus 6 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3x. So यहाँ पर जो आपका correct option आएगा, the solution of the equation is also the solution of the equation. तो यहाँ पर आएगा 4x plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2x. Next question है आपका, if a plus b is equal to 3 and a square plus b square is equal to 89, then what is the value of a 1 upon a plus 1 upon b? Correct option है हमारा यहाँ पर second, that is minus 3 upon 40. Next question is, if p is equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 4, q is equal to 3 plus x minus 2x square and r is equal to minus 4x plus x square plus 9, then p minus q plus r is equal to, correct option will be fourth, that is 6x square minus 11x plus 2. Next question है हमारा, if 10x square plus x minus 3 is equal to ax plus b, cx plus d, a is greater than c, then b plus d upon a plus c is. So it is a proper fraction. Second will be the correct option here. Next question, a number is first increased by 10% and then decreased by 10%, then the number, so correct option is decreased by 1%. Next question is, ABCD is a trapezium in which AD is equal to BC, AD is parallel to BC, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 11 centimeter, and AD is equal to 7 centimeter. DA is produced to a point F such that AF is equal to 3 centimeter and BF is perpendicular to DF, then area of the trapezium ABCD is. Correct option is 36 centimeter square. Next question, Deepak used to walk 10 rounds along a rectangular ground with length 150 centimeter and breadth 100 meter. If he has to walk around a square shaped ground having area 0.01 kilometer square, then how many rounds has to walk so that he can complete his regular routine of walking? So approximately 13. Fourth one will be the correct option. Next, 43rd question is, the radius of the base of the metallic cylindrical box is 17.5 centimeter. Its height is 1 meter. What is the capacity in liters of the box? Take pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Correct option is third, that is 96.25. 96.25. Next question is 44th question. A box contains some slips on which numbers 25, 26, 27, 49 are written. One number in one slip. A slip is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the selected slip bears a prime number? Correct option is 2, that is 0.24. Next question is, the average age in years of 40 students of a class is 12. After adding teacher's age, the average age of all of them becomes 13 years. If the retirement age of the teacher is 55 years, then he will retire after 2 years. Second will be the correct option. Next question is, measures of two supplementary angles are 2a plus b raised to power 0 and 3a minus b raised to power 0. Then value of 3a plus is equal to. Correct option is 108. Second will be the correct option. Next is, which of the following pairs of letters in the word maths depicts rotational symmetry? H and S. Fourth one will be the correct option. 48th question is, a triangle is to be constructed with sides 2p minus 1 centimeter, 2p plus 2 centimeter and 13 centimeter. For constructing the triangle, p must always be greater than 3. First one will be the correct option. 49th question is, the four angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio of 4:5:3:6. The difference of the greatest and the smallest angles of the quadrilateral is 60 degree. Third will be the correct option. Next question is, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC is perpendicular to BD, AB is equal to AD and CB is equal to CD. Then ABCD must always be a kite. Second will be the correct option. Next question, while teaching mathematics, a teacher arrives at a statement A implies B. This means A is necessary condition for B. First one will be the correct option. Next question is, Mr. Paramjeet is teaching geometry to his students at upper primary level. Which of the following method is used most commonly in mathematics classrooms for geometrical proofs? Deductive method. First one will be the correct option. Next question is, statistics is more than making graphs and analyzing data. It includes both asking and answering questions about outward. Which of the following options explain the meaning of a given statement? Correct option is, students should formulate questions that can be addressed with data and collect, organize and display relevant data to answer them. Third one will be the correct option. Next question is, which of the following statement is indicative of mathematization of the child's thought process? Correct option is second. Mathematics education should focus on knowing how to mathematize rather than on knowing a lot of mathematics. Next question is, which of the following is not an advantage of analytical rubrics? Correct option is third, that is, it is a good tool for summative assessment. Next question is, an orphanage has 3 gates. A person enters the orphanage with some fruits and gives half of the fruits and one more to the children at the first gate. Similarly, he gives half of the remaining fruits and one more to the children at the second gate, and likewise at the third gate. At the end, the person is left with only one fruit. How many fruits were in the hands of the person in starting? For solving the problem, which one of the following methods will be appropriate? So problem solving, 4-1 will be the correct option. Next question is, if the objective of teaching mathematics is related to developing creative thinking among students, which of the following method strategy is appropriate? Correct option is use of multiple solution tasks. Fourth one will be the correct option. 58th question is, which of the following activities will help teachers to promote problem solving in mathematics among learners? Correct option is second, solving the problems and reflecting back on solutions. 59th question is, mathematics anxiety is commonly seen among students of middle school. Which of the following strategies are effective in dealing with the mathematics anxiety in learners? Correct option है आपका ए एंड बी. ए ऑप्शन जो आपका है दैट इज हैव अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड वाइल कम्युनिकेटिंग विद स्टूडेंट्स. सेकेंड वन इज द टू गिव कोलैबोरेटिव टास्क and promote group practice problems. Now the last question of math section is, which of the following tasks is least likely to develop critical thinking in mathematics among students? So यहाँ पर correct option है, calculate the volume of a right circular cylinder of radius 3.5 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Fourth one will be the correct option. So if this video is helpful to you, so don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, and do comment in the comment box also. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.